Hello everyone, my name is Laurent, your English teacher. In this video lesson, we are going to teach you how you can say what you are able to do, what you can do, and what you can't do, what you are not able to do, ok? Salut tout le monde, nous sommes c'est Laurent, je nous connais. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre comment capable dire, soit capable faire en anglais, et puis sans pas capable faire en anglais. Sans perdre du temps, on commence. Okay? So, as usual, what I want you to do is listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's get started. Can, can't, can, soit capable faire, can't, sont pas capable faire. Okay? So, we use can to express ability or possibility. Nous utilisons can, c'est juste pour capable exprimer possibilité, ça que nous capable faire, ça que nous capable faire qui c'est ability et ça qui possible, possibility. For example, moi capable courir. How can I say that in English? I can run. Moi capable courir. I can run. Okay? Moi capable courir rapide. I can run fast. Moi capable courir rapide en pile. I can run so fast. Okay? So, I am able to run. Okay? Là, moi capable utiliser can là pour capable dire ça, moi capable faire. I can run. And the next one is sing. Sing qui signifie chanter. Okay? Run qui signifie courir. Sing, chanter. For example, moi capable chanter. Okay, là c'est moi capable chanter. I can sing. Moi capable chanter, I can sing. Moi capable chanter dans un choral. I can sing in a choir. Moi capable chanter dans un choral. I can sing in a choir. And the next one is dance. Moi capable danser. I can dance. Moi capable danser compas. I can dance compas. Okay? I can dance compas. That's fine. Moi capable écrire. I can write. Moi capable écrire anglais. I can write English. Moi capable écrire anglais très bien. I can write English very well. Okay? So as I said before, we use can to say what you're able to do. Okay? J'aime dire là, nous utilisons can pour parler de ça que nous sommes capables de faire. Moi capable écrire anglais très bien, me dit I can write English very well. Mais moi pas capable de parler, but I can speak it. But you're gonna see that and can't when we're gonna use can't. Okay? I can speak English very well, but I can't speak it. Okay? And I can play veut dire moi capable jouer. Comment capable dire moi capable jouer en anglais? Me dit I can play. Moi capable jouer football. I can play soccer. Moi capable jouer football. I can play soccer. But you sometimes hear people say football, okay? But it doesn't matter, guys. You say soccer or football. The Americans say soccer and the English say football. Both mean the same thing, okay? Moi capable jouer football, I can play soccer. Or I can play football. So, now let's talk about can't. Quand on a parlé de can't, ça qu'on pas capable faire. Okay? We use can't for something that is not possible. Okay? For something that you are not able to do. Pour un bagage qu'on pas capable faire, ou pas une habilité, ou pas une capacité à faire, we use a can't. For example, moi pas capable voler. How can I say that? I can't fly. Moi pas capable voler. I can't fly. Moi pas capable parler chinois. I can't speak Chinese. Let's repeat it again. I can't speak Chinese. Moi pas capable parler chinois. Moi pas capable parler russe. I can't speak Russian. Et comment on dit ça? Russian. I can't speak Russian. I can't speak Russian means moi pas capable parler russe. Moi pas capable monter pied bois. I can't climb a tree. I can't climb a tree. I can climb a tree veut dire moi pas capable monter pied bois. We have tree. Tree means pied bois. Arbre, okay? So if I want to say pied bois, je dis tree, okay? Moi pas capable nager. I can't swim. Moi pas capable nager. I can't swim. Moi pas capable faire manger. I can't cook. Moi pas capable faire spaghetti. I can't cook spaghetti. Okay? I can cook spaghetti. I'm sorry. Moi pas capable faire du riz à boire. I can cook rice and beans. Okay? I can cook rice and beans. So we use can as well to express permission. For example, I can say, can I help you? Nous utilisons can do pour demander permission. Par exemple, vous avez dit ça? Can I help you? I want you to repeat. Can I help you? Can I help you means est-ce que je suis capable d'aider? Comment on dit est-ce que je suis capable d'aider en anglais? Can I help you? Kounya, si tu dis est-ce que je suis capable d'aider? You're asking about permission, okay? You say, can you help me? Can you help me, please? Okay? Est-ce que vous êtes capable d'aider, s'il vous plaît? I say, can you help me, please? And I think, guys, that's all for today. And if you like this video, don't forget, the only thing that you can do is subscribe, like, share it to other interested people. Si vous aimez mes vidéos publiques, partagez, abonnez. C'est cette façon que vous êtes capable d'aider nous pour toujours poster vidéo, ok? We'll see in another video. N'a pas dans l'autre vidéo. Bye bye for now.